If you manage royalties or partner commissions, you already know how manual the process is. Contracts are buried in PDFs, partner reports don't match your ERP, and verification alone can take hours before you can even calculate what's owed. In this video, we'll show how Savant automates the entire royalties and commissions process, from reading contracts to calculating, verifying, and approving payouts. Let's dive in. We start with commission contracts, which usually come in as PDFs. Even within the same business, they're rarely structured the same way, and key payout details can live in different places. Using a simple, natural language prompt, Savant's vision reads each contract like a person would and pulls out partner details and payout terms, turning them into a clean, analysis-ready table. The same process is used for partner sales reports and transaction data, which often arrive as PDFs as well. Now we bring everything together. We join the contract terms, partner reports, and transaction data and reconcile it with the ERP. Because the same partner, product, or value can look slightly different across systems, we use Savant's Fuse agent to match records the way a person would. Each match includes a confidence score, giving users a clear way to review results and step in when needed. Savant automates royalties and commissions end-to-end, delivering fast, review-ready payouts that match the contract, pay partners accurately and on time, and strengthen compliance while reducing errors and building real trust. Visit savantlabs.io to book a demo and see how Savant can help you and your team automate royalties and commission payout workflows.